Mason, what is that?
My new car.
Where are those cars
You
from?
go straight for that one. Whoa.
A dealer.
So this is a box of Marco's old toys from when he was a little kid.
I haven't seen these in probably 15 years.
Ew, there's a spider in there. That's gross.
Cool, Mason. What's that one? That's a race car.
Yeah.
And look here.
Was that your Barbie dress too?
Yeah, I love that Barbie dress. Look, Mason.
A tractor.
With a trailer.
That's trailer.
That's where you get it from. Look, you know what this one does? Look. Still works.
Oh my goodness.
A wheel.
What's this one?
A doo.
Yeah. And this one.
Airplane.
Yeah, this one used to light up.
And a tractor.
And this one, look, this one's fun. Look what it can do. This thing's older than I am.
Oh, for space.
Still works. My old tank.
So pretty much this is what Mason's gonna be doing all day. And Aubrey. Right, Aubrey?
Oh, look, Mason, a trailer for the truck. Does it work? Look.
A trailer.
And that one you can put cars on. Look, a broken police car. Look, you can tow it. Man, I had some cool toys. This is all of them. All 10 of them.
Cowboy.
Can you say cowboy boots?
A cowboy boot.
Say it again. Say it with your country drawl. Cowboy boots.
Yeah, cowboy boots.
Aubrey, say yeehaw.
Yeah.
Yeehaw.
A
Oh wait,
cow-
where's your belly button? Where's your belly button?
There.
Oh, did you get your personal space violated?
So Mason, where are we going? Where are we going today? Are we going to Costco?
Yeah.
Yeah. And we're going to run a bunch of errands?
A fan.
Yeah, errands.
Gonna go to Cabela's too, Mason. We'll look at all the hunting stuff.
They just opened a new Cabela's. And we haven't been yet. They just opened it like what? A week
week
ago?
and a half
2
ago.
weeks ago? And we haven't been, so
Sick.
so sick. Should we go, Mason? I swear, Mason, you're Chewbacca in another life. Oh look, here's the chicken and the little chick. If we can zoom in and find.
Uno.
Cute.
Bagak. Let's go.
This chick is pretty,
Mount up.
what's the word? What would you call it?
Come on.
It's a bantam cochin.
No, compared to the other chicks we had. This one, like, not frisky, but like, I don't know what I'm trying to say.
It fears for its life.
Yeah, it fears for its life. Cool.
You want to go?
So this is the infamous Cabela's. It's, oh, you can't, there's like trees in the way. Hunting and fishing store. Marco, are you so excited right now?
I hate this place.
You're such a liar.
Aubrey, run.
I should have recorded it, but in the car he was squealing like a little schoolgirl. It's so true.
Maybe.
Just like
Hit, bud.
hunter and fisherman. I'll record inside, hopefully. They should have some cool, like, whoa, stuffed animals.
That just about took your nose out.
She's good. She's still good. So we're in the camping section and they have some stuffed wolves up there. Can't really see, but they have like an audio recording of wolves in the background. Then they just have like stuffed everything. What are those? I don't even know what those things are. More wolves. Fishers. There's like moose and elk and stuff over there. And then they have a fishing section over here with like stuffed fish. It's pretty crazy. Try and show some. So we're at Five Guys for lunch.
5 Gs.
5 Gs. And they give you can take as many peanuts as you want, and you just throw all of the casings, garbage from it, on the ground. Marco got a poutine, which we've never tried from here before.
Cajun poutine.
Yeah, and I got a sandwich thing, which Aubrey is excited to try. Ready? Are you hungry? Let's try it out. Yummy. So I am in quite possibly my favorite store ever, Dollarama. And I need to get some stuff for our trip. We're going up north and the kids get bored in the car, so I grabbed a bunch of stuff for them to play with so that they're not they get distracted. And yeah, I just love this place. They have everything and it's so cheap. Like, it's amazing what you can find here. Every time I come here I'm just like, what the? Like, if I had a cat, hello, I would buy that. Yeah, so cute. Anyways, I'm browsing and I'll probably pick up some stuff that I don't need because it's cheap and it's amazing. It's Dollarama. Love it. We just got out of Costco. We didn't get that much stuff. Just a couple of things.
Came out to $2,000.
Yeah, right. $2,000. No.
We just got 47 pounds of flour.
Only 10 actually.
20.
20. And we decided to get some ice cream at the end. I've never had ice cream from Costco before. Marco got a sundae. And how was it?
It's missing peanuts.
Peanuts. I got the soft serve swirl, chocolate and vanilla. It's actually really good. But I feel like there's way more ice cream in this one than there was in yours. Would you agree? I'm still eating this. But it's delicious. So anyways, we're just gonna go home, put everything away and relax. So we're gonna say bye for now. Mason, can you say see you later? Say see you later. Look at that face full of ice cream. Say bye, Albert.
Bye.